just play it down a bit. So 88 kilos, new Commonwealth Games record, but to give herself a massive advantage. Her great rival, Rainer Vosia, has got 76 kilos, but this would put her 12 kilos ahead.
Yes.
And it does.
Another personal best, another Commonwealth Games record.